Imagine waking up every morning to find money flowing in without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. I used to dread waking up every morning knowing another long day of work awaited. The endless cycle of stress, tight deadlines, and barely enough time for myself was draining. Thankfully, I broke free from the rat race, stopped worrying about paychecks, and started building a life of financial freedom with the time to truly enjoy it. That's the power of passive income. Money earned from assets you create or invest in that work for you around the clock, even when you're not actively involved. It's like having your own 24/7 money-making machine. In this video, I'll share 8 proven strategies to help you create multiple income streams. For each idea, I'll explain how easy or challenging it is to start and maintain, rate it as low, medium, or high, give you tips to get started, and outline how quickly you can expect to see results. Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal the easiest and fastest option to get started. Don't miss it. Number 1. Investing in stocks and shares. If you want to make your money work for you, investing in stocks is one of the easiest ways to start building wealth passively. By buying a piece of a company, you earn dividends, your share of the company's profits, and capital gains when the stock price goes up. Getting started is straightforward. Open a brokerage account and begin investing in ETFs or index funds. The tricky part is choosing the right stocks, but once you've set up your portfolio, maintaining it is easy, just occasional adjustments. You could start receiving dividends within weeks if you invest in dividend-paying stocks. But if you're aiming for significant capital gains, expect it to take years. And here's the best part. Once you've set it up, it requires very little effort to maintain. If you want to give it a try, start small with platforms like Robinhood or eToro and let your investments start working for you. Number 2. Content creator. Imagine making money while doing something you love. Becoming a content creator on YouTube can open up numerous income streams: AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. Starting can be tricky. Learning video editing and getting the right equipment takes time. But once you've learned the ropes, maintaining your channel can be a lot of work. Regular uploads and audience engagement are key to growing your following. It may take 12 to 24 months to start monetizing through AdSense, but you can still earn earlier through affiliate marketing or sponsorships. So, if you're ready to build a community around your content, this could be the way to go. Pick a niche, post regularly, and use tools like Canva for thumbnails, vidIQ for SEO, TubeBuddy for ideas, and CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for video editing. Before you know it, your channel could be bringing in passive income. Number 3. Starting a podcast. Did you know you could get paid to share your thoughts with the world? Starting a podcast can turn your passion into profit. Whether through sponsorships, listener donations, or merchandise, podcasting can be a fantastic source of passive income. It takes medium-level effort to get started. Basic equipment like a microphone and creating engaging content are essential. Once you've established a routine, maintaining it requires consistency, but it's worth it. You can start seeing results in 6 to 12 months as you grow your audience and attract sponsors. Platforms like Anchor.fm or Buzzsprout can help you distribute your episodes, and using social media will help you grow your listener base. Number 4. Becoming an affiliate marketer. What if you could start earning money without creating your own product? Affiliate marketing lets you do just that. By promoting products or services through your unique link, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. It takes medium effort to start because you need an audience, whether through a blog, social media, or YouTube. Once you have your links in place, maintaining the affiliate promotions is easy. Just keep promoting the products. You can start seeing earnings in 3 to 6 months, especially if you actively promote products your audience will love. Start with affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and pair it with content creation for the best results. Number 5. Selling a digital product. What if you could make money from something you created once? Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or software is one of the best ways to generate passive income after an initial setup. Creating the product takes medium effort, but once it's online, sales become mostly passive. You can expect to start earning in 1 to 3 months, but the real beauty is that you can continue to make money long after the hard work is done. To get started, use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy to sell your digital products and market them through email lists or social media. Number 6. Selling a course. Ever wanted to share your knowledge with others while making money? Selling an online course can be a great way to do that. You can create courses on anything you're an expert in: business, tech, or even hobbies. Starting a course is a high effort because you need to create a structured curriculum with quality video production. Maintaining it is medium effort, as you'll need to update the content and keep marketing to attract new students. It can take 3 to 6 months to create and start selling your first course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare are great places to get started. Number 7. Rental income via REITs, real estate investment trusts. You can earn money from real estate without owning property. Real estate investment trusts, like Residential Secure Income, REIT, and Tritax Big Box REIT, allow you to invest in a diverse portfolio of properties with other investors. This provides an easy and tax-efficient way to earn income through dividends. Starting is low effort since REITs are available through stock exchanges. Once you've invested, the maintenance is very low, just occasional check-ins to review your investments. You can start receiving dividends in just a few months. To get started, research REITs that offer strong dividend payouts, have solid financial health, promising growth potential, and a high-quality property portfolio. Once you've identified the right options, you can invest through a brokerage account such as Vanguard or Robinhood. Number 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Have you ever thought about being a lender instead of a borrower? Peer-to-peer lending lets you lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest as they repay their loans. Starting requires medium effort, as you'll need to assess borrower risk. Once you're set up, maintaining it is easy, especially with automated reinvestment options offered by platforms. You can start earning interest within months, so if you're ready to lend, sign up with platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. And as promised, the easiest and fastest way to start earning passive income? It's a tie between affiliate marketing and REITs. Why? Both allow you to start with minimal effort and start earning quickly. Affiliate marketing lets you monetize your audience almost immediately, while REITs allow you to invest in property and earn dividends within a few months. There are many more passive income streams if you've found success with other strategies or those we have discussed. Share your experience with us in the comments section.